Today, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Gmail. If you find yourself sending the same types of emails repeatedly, templates can save you a ton of time by letting you store and reuse pre-written messages with just a couple of clicks. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. You'll land on your inbox, and from here, we need to access the settings to enable the templates feature. Look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. This will open a quick settings menu, but we need more options than what's shown here. So go ahead and click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu where all the advanced features live. Once you're in the full settings, navigate to the Advanced tab at the top. This is where Gmail keeps some of its more powerful features that aren't turned on by default. Scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Templates. Next to it, you'll see a radio button. Click Enable to turn on the Templates feature. This is what allows you to save and reuse email drafts. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload your inbox to apply the new settings, and you'll be ready to start creating templates. To create your first template, click the Compose button to open a new email draft. In the Compose window, type out the email content you want to save as a template. A quick tip here, don't include your signature in the template if you already have an automatic signature set up in Gmail. This prevents it from appearing twice when you use the template later. Once your message is ready, look for the More Options button at the bottom right corner of the Compose window. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, hover over Templates. You'll see a sub-menu pop up. Click Save Draft as Template, then select Save as New Template. A small window will appear asking you to name your template. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, then click Save. Your template is now stored and ready to use whenever you need it. To use your template in the future, simply click Compose to start a new email. Open the More Options menu again, hover over Templates, and select your saved template from the list. The content will populate automatically. You can edit it as needed before hitting Send. Thanks for watching.